My name is Neil Holmes. I work for Omex Horticulture in the UK. I'm an agronomist focusing on crop nutrition and working in the southern part of Britain with my colleagues in the team. We use Kelpak particularly because it's based on a foundation of science. We have lots of trials research showing that we have the benefits of Kelpak with the polyamines, the florotannins. We use it through 3 stages during the crop cycle, through establishment, post-dormancy, during flowering and fruiting, and then during colour change and fruit development. And each phase of that crop cycle imparts different qualities to the crop. Post-dormancy, you get establishment better, you get better rooting, pollen tubes grow better and get better fertilisation of the crop. At fruit development, we get better qualitative changes, so we get colour change is better depending on the crop, and we get some better post-harvest responses also from the crop. Kelpak is really good during the propagation phase of soft fruit crops. We get really good rooting and therefore great root development around the plug of the plant, and that gets the crop off to a great start in the spring, and it's in a better position to produce a bigger and fuller crop for the season ahead. For every hectare of cropping, we need it to produce really, really well. Margins are so tight in the UK. Growers need to have every plant performing to its best capacity. So therefore we use Kelpak to try and maximise potential yield from that plant. And so we need every flower and every truss in strawberries to be yielding. Therefore we need the pollen tube to grow and to have a fully developed fruit. So we're using Kelpak to try and maximise the potential of the crop. Strawberries are grown in tabletops in the UK on coir bags. We use Kelpak during the whole of the crop cycle, and at the start we get great rooting. Research has shown that applications quite frequently over the crop cycle has improved yield, significantly so compared to an untreated control. So we have 2 to 9, even 12% increase in yield scientifically proven with the application of Kelpak. In the UK we have a range of other biostimulants available, but there's a lot of queries about other biostimulants. The benefit of Kelpak is it's got the CE mark indicating quality, and it's one of the few seaweeds to have that CE mark, and therefore we are sure of the benefits of it because we can prove it scientifically. Omex as a company is present in all cropping in the UK. I particularly deal with horticultural crops in the UK, which is soft and top fruit, and vineyards. So in vineyards, we can see the benefits of Kelpak applications by changing the architecture of a grape bunch. We can get slightly elongated wedges, and that means we get greater airflow. Greater airflow means the crop can dry out quicker, so therefore greater airflow is beneficial for the crop.